Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're working on project number 5 for our lovely lavender January 2024 paper pumpkin kit alternate. I know this is video number 4, but we're working on project number 5 because for some reason my camera stopped recording during the making of the 4th project. So I will show you that in a moment. Let's go over some buzzworthy business really quick. We have our February Sweet Springtime Paper Pumpkin Kit that makes 9 projects. Early Espresso is the stamping spot, and it comes in this cute little box. We have our Love of Spring dies. That's an add-on for the Paper Pumpkin Kits for January, February, and March. 4 dies, $12. That is the ordering number. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I am selling. They're stuffed with retired Stampin' Up products, new and used, about $200 worth, maybe plus or minus. Shipping is included in the price of $25 for each box. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. I can only ship in the US, okay? This is our January host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you are placing an order with me. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to give you some information about project number 4. This is our lovely project number 4. It's so cute. It's using some Berry Burst soft shimmer specialty paper. I have a beautiful leaf back here. I don't know if you can see it. It was die cut in vellum on some adhesive back sheets, so I made it a sticker, and that was from the Gorgeously Made dies. I have some of the Perennial Lavender paper, designer series paper in the background here. I punched a hole using a 2 3/8 inch circle punch inside of the card front from the kit, and I ran that card front through the embossing folder exposed brick. The happy birthday is from Go To Greetings, and I stamped that on one of the labels from the kit, okay, and added some of the purple fine shimmer gems. So that was project number 4 that, I don't know, the video stopped working. So let's go ahead and get started with project number 5. So here are all of our pieces. I've gone ahead and cut out a circle from here for us to use later on, I guess, somewhere, but I wanted to save my glimmer paper. So this is going to be the background for our card front from the kit. The glimmer paper is, this is more, not glimmer, this is more dazzle paper, the more dazzling paper. So this is 5 1/4 by 4. So our card front is 5 by 3 3/4. And I have put tear and tape on the back because, again, sticking to glimmer paper, the dazzle paper, the glue doesn't grip that well to me. You have to let it sit too long for it to make sure it's adhered. So I'm just going to put this in the center of that. Okay. Ooh. Then we have our inside. This is Gorgeous Grape, 5 by 3 3/4. So I've gone ahead and put the inside together, so we can just go ahead and glue this on the inside of our card base. And I've gone ahead and decorated it with a few elements from the kit and some of that more dazzling with a strip of garden green, because garden green was one of the coordinating colors. So let's go ahead and add this to the front of our card. Come on, glue. Just going to center that up just like that. Then we have this little purple Gorgeous Grape circle. This is cut from the Deco Circles. I am not sure which number it is because I cut out a bunch of circles. And this is just the one that stuck. I was trying out different sizes. Okay, so we have that. I think next we're going to be putting some elements from the kit. I have, this is from the add-on dies, a little vellum leaf that I cut using that die. And I adhered the vellum to the adhesive sheet to make it a sticker. Again, so that you won't see the glue. Okay, so I got that separated. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna put this vellum piece right here, like that. We're gonna glue down the rest of these pieces. I think I'm doing this how I said in my head. I'm not even sure. Oh my. I keep telling you guys, I design these cards all at once and then I forget. Because that doesn't look, that's not looking like I think. Okay, we're gonna glue this down. And that's gonna go about, let's say, all the way to the edge. Okay, I think I'm remembering now. Oh no, I'm not, because that's supposed to be slanted. Oh, okay. Then this is gonna be kind of sort of straight. If I could have remembered that that was supposed to be slanted. You know, I'm gonna put some tearing tape on this. If I would have thought about it, I would have had that done already, since it's going on the glimmer paper. Not all the way on there, but it's gonna be on there. So let's just get that. I want it to be like that. Then we're gonna take this love. That is not how I wanted it to go. I just seen what I did wrong. Okay, that's all right. We're gonna make it work, because you didn't see how I wanted to go. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put this love right here. And then we're gonna stamp the word with in Gorgeous Grape from the stamp from the kit. That's all the stamping we're gonna do. That's it. And I want a dimensional, so let me get my scissors and get a little piece of a dimensional. Let me see. That should be good enough. And I had a bow from the linen thread from the kit, and I wanted to put that. I could still put it there, but I wanted it to look like it was tying the flowers. So let's put our width right here and get some glue dots for our bow here that I forgot about. Hey. I think I'm gonna put the glue dot, put a couple. I wanna make sure it sticks. Gonna put our bow just like that. That is our card. So this is project number 5. Oh, we need to put some bling on here. I want to put let's see, this adhesive back sparkle gems. It said it was champagne, but it looks a little goldy. Shh, that doesn't really go. But I'm gonna use it because this is what I had in mind. Let's see. Let's put one there. Maybe another one right here. Okay, that's cute. Got more bling, more bling, more bling. All right, you guys, let me show you. That's project number 4. I mean, number 5. This is number 4 that the video stopped working. So be sure to come back for the next video in the series, all right? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.